the glasses?
I just want to say, finally, go Birds, and free Palestine. Thank you.
I thought it was important to talk about Palestine because it's an issue that's very dear to my heart. For many reasons, I feel like it is my obligation as a Jewish person to distinguish Jews from the state of Israel because our religion and our culture is such an important and long-standing, basically like institution that is really separate to this sort of ethno-nationalist state.
I won't work. I cannot work with somebody that's justify or support the genocide. I can't. We are witnessing, it's a genocide, as I said in your show, in 4K alive on a daily basis.